Hello everyone, this is Deepak here. In this session, I will explain you about the Excel common function used in real life that will help you to minimize your effort when you are working with the millions of data. What happens when we are working with the millions of data and we want or we need some formatting steps to be performed with that data? If we don't know about these functions, then our life will be very tedious or time consuming task to be completed. So if we'll know that, we'll definitely close that activity within an hour, or it's totally dependent on your work. If you are using only this function, definitely you will close in within 15 minutes. But if you don't know about that function, just have to do or manual calculation on your data. So let's begin with this. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for the latest update. So in this session, I will explain you about different aggregate functions, or you can say the common functions used in maths or in Excel for mathematical operation. So I will explain you about sum, minimum, maximum, average, then count, then length for specific text value, and again sum if and average if value. So let's begin with this. So you can see here I have already listed some of the subjects name with the month and the fee structure per month. If I want to calculate the total fees of any subject, I need to I don't want to go to in calculator, calculate the numbers and then this. So I will calculate only for one cell and drag and drop the activity. It will work for all the rows. You just have to enter equal to sign, then sum, just have to enter equal to 3400 multiplied by 3, able to see the total value of or total fees of this subject for 3 months is 10,200. Let me delete this. Now once you will double click on this plus icon for that particular cell or drag and drop, you are able to see all the subjects months value is calculated. As you can see here, 1880 is multiplied by 2 and you can see the formula as well. So this is the actual value or total sum. If I want to calculate the complete sum or total fees of every subject, I just have to enter equal to then sum. After entering sum, let me select all the rows, and once I will click, able to see sum of all the values are available. Next, if I want to calculate average of total number, this is for sum, this is for sum, then the average. If I want to calculate average of all the fees, then just have to press A equal to then the average function and complete cell. You can see average of all 4 subjects is 33995. So average is basically calculated sum of all the numbers divided by total number of cells or total number of subjects. So you can calculate it here, from here to here you are able to see 13,580, and we have already calculated this here as well. If you divide with 4, you definitely get this number. Now let's count it. So I am going to count with this equal to count Now you can see count of all 4 subject is 4. All subject is 4. So by this way we can calculate it for complete rows. Let me calculate minimum value. Out of this, which subject charges is minimum? We have calculated each month wise, so let's calculate from here. Equal to minimum function and select complete row. Now we can see minimum value is 3760. Let's calculate maximum value. Out of this, equal to, then the max and select complete row. We able to see maximum value is 10,200 for English subject. Let's calculate sum of if. If we are providing any condition to specific number, then we will get sum of the, just like if equal to sum, if the function name I will calculate here, then comma equal to greater than or equal to 6,000, then again column, and next is this. Let's see the value. Let's calculate it from 2000 or 1500. Let's, you can see if any value is less than 1500, that will be not calculated. So here the maximum value is provided for sum of if condition. Same way you can calculate it for averages. So by this way we can perform our mathematical calculation in Excel, which is very easy to use and will save our time by using this. Let me write it something here, or you can see here length. If I want to show the length, just select the name. You can able to see total number of text, or total number of text is used in subject is 7. You can calculate it as 1, U2, B3 and rest 4, 7. So by this way we are able to perform the action on mathematically value. So this is all about the numerical operation or aggregate function performed in Excel. Hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment in the comment section, and if you know any other option is also available, please comment that also in comment section, so that whenever anyone is following this session, they will definitely learn that part as well, because sharing the knowledge definitely very helpful for others for the learning purpose. Thanks for watching this. We'll meet again next session.